am all done. So it's done. It took a while, but I did it. I'm here at Go Bananas, and I am going to work on this paint chips and such. And I got my work cut out for me today. Take a while just to get the outside done, then I gotta go on the inside. My new tool though, I'm psyched. Wah, wah. The best tool for the job. Ryobi cordless. I love Ryobi. Nice. Oh. I did that side right there. I did right there, and I'm working right there at halfway, and I'm dying. My hands are disgusting. I have to do it first, scrape it, then wire brush it, then hand sand it because I don't want to ruin my sander. I have to hand sand the thing. And me and Buddy are taking a break. My mouth is killing me, my hands are killing me, my feet is killing me. I'm ready to go home, but I can't. So I started off over here, and I was using the wire brush without a scraper. First you have to scrape it. It's a 3-step process. And then you wire brush it on the side so that I can sand it in the front, but then my sander was getting eaten, and I started to do it by hand, holding the sanders, paper, the sanders, and it was too much. I said, what do I get a sander for if I have to do it by hand? That's crazy. So I started using the sander again. So it's a 3-step process here. Scraper, wire brush, sander, and I just keep changing the sanding paper is all, so it won't tear up my little thing here. So here I am right here. So I've got only to here, and that's it. And it's been like 3 hours just to get that done. So it goes all the way around over here. Look at how bad it is over here. And I gotta get a ladder because my steppy stool, I gotta get up high up there, so I gotta get a ladder down here. I gotta get a ladder. So then I have the whole inside, but the inside will be easy because I already went around to the sides. I did all the sides. So when I'm done this side, then the other side will be easy. Oh, there's a spider web. Can you see it? Oh, you can't see it, can you? It took me 4 hours to get all that done. I stopped right there. My hands for 4 hours have been with a power tool, like my hand is killing me, especially my thumb. Oh my God, it's horrible. It hurts so bad. It looks crooked. My nails. So this is looking nice and smooth. Got all this stuff here. So now we're starting over here, which isn't too bad here. That's not too bad. You know, but then you come over here and it's really bad. Pretty bad over here. Okay, day number 2. Day number 2. We've been hanging out. Say hi, buddy. Say hi. Day number 3, the outside is done, and it looks a lot smoother now. I have to go on the inside because I have to do this. All I have to do is the face on this side because I already got the sides. So I'm going inside today, get the whole inside done, and maybe I can start painting. So stay tuned. So Derek was all bragging about me, and he showed him the shed I did. So she's an artist. So he shows him this. He shows him how all this needs to be done. I figured he'd noticed once I did the paint job because that's going to stand out. But yeah, he's like one thing at a time. So this is my next job. I already got another job. Where there's one job, there's always 3 more lined up. So I got another job. I'm like one thing at a time. So that's cool. Yep, I got the trim. I'm gonna start painting. I'm gonna get this gate done today. I know I am. I'm gonna make it happen. Say hi, buddy. Say hi. Look at how good that looks. As opposed to that. Looks good. This side's all done. All done. I'm done for the day. Yahoo! Here I am, looking pretty rough here. What a day! I put in some hours. So let's see, I can't turn this around. So I primed it with that rust stuff, especially on those rust spots, big time. I did more sanding with that new wire, and it works really good, see? So I at least got this done today. It's all done. Look at the difference. Looks good.
Hey, that's where you get locked up.
He wants me to do a mural back here. I think that needs to be painted if you ask me.
Wait, on the door? The door would look cool too.
Oh, on the door. Well, he wants waterwood to be able to see it.
But do a burning on it. Wood
Oh,
burning.
wood burning.
Yeah, but
He wants me to do the banana man.
Oh, the banana man.
The banana man is going up here somewhere. Big mural coming. Stay tuned. Ha ha. Day number 4. Now I have to keep going. I'm pretty sure the sanding's all done, but lots to do. Oh, here, go bananas. Go bananas. Johnny is doing a little refurbishing here. It's coming out good. It looks good. Voila, voila. Got a lot done today. Boom, boom, boom. I got all this. This side, this side. I got all the way up here. I got all this done. Had to buy myself a sweatshirt. I love it. New sweatshirt. Have to come down here and see Johnny. Get some gear. It's a nice little store he's got here. I love it. Almost missed a spot. I'm all done. So it's done. It took a while, but I did it. The pollen is killing my paint job. It came out really good. They're happy. Ta-da!